Welcome to another edition of Ask Appy. I'm Abhinav Girdhar, founder of Appy Pie. Today's question comes from Jane from Argentina, and she asks if she could use Appy Pie's website builder to create an AMP website. For those of you who do not know what an AMP website is, AMP stands for Accelerated Mobile Pages. So it's primarily a technology which Google invented that loads a website very fast in an accelerated way. So it's primarily very useful for websites which are of news vertical. And it would not actually make sense for every website to use this technology. So at Appy Pie, what we have done is we have gone over and beyond the AMP technology. We have come to this new technology which is called the Progressive Web App or the PWA. So what does this technology do? Essentially, it has all the benefits that you get from an AMP website, and it has much more. So what is a progressive website? A progressive website is a website that loads very fast. It requires less data consumption in order to load. On top of that, it also supports offline usage. And the way we actually support offline usage is leveraging the service worker, which is part of your browsers, and some added technologies that we have built into Appy Pie using the AppSync technology. So essentially, even if you are offline, the websites are actually still working for you. So that is where the benefit of a progressive website comes in. And with Appy Pie's website builder, all the websites that are being created are progressive websites. So even if you're offline, these websites would continue to work for you and for your users. So now when you know about AMP and Progressive Web App, now go to Appy Pie's website builder and start creating your website today. We have almost 70 to 80 odd features that you could choose from. It could be an e-commerce website, it could be a store website, it could be a hotel reservation website. So any feature that you require, from contact us form to form builders, they're all built into our website builder. So go ahead and start using it. If you like this edition, then do share it on social media channels like Facebook and Twitter, and do remember to subscribe to our channel.